Android apps keep crashing? It's a common issue that can make your phone hard to use. In this video, we'll show you simple and effective ways to fix app crashes and get your device running smoothly again. Part 1. Why apps on Android keep crashing. Low storage or RAM, outdated apps or system, corrupted app data, network issues, app bugs, permission conflicts, overheating, malware, system glitches. Part 2. How to fix Android apps keep crashing issue. 10 easy fixes. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Minor glitches can cause apps to crash. Restarting your phone closes background apps and refreshes the system. Simply press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. Fix 2. Clear app cache and data. Too much cache or app data can cause crashes. Clearing them removes unnecessary files and frees space. Go to Settings Apps, select the crashing app, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Fix 3. Free up storage. Low storage can cause apps to crash. Delete unused files or move apps to an SD card. Go to Settings Apps, select an app, and tap Move to SD card if available. Fix 4. Reinstall the app. A faulty installation can cause crashes. Uninstall and reinstall the app to fix it. Go to Settings Apps, select the app, tap Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Play Store. Fix 5. Check your network. A poor network can cause app crashes. Restart your phone and reconnect to Wi-Fi or switch to a stronger network. Fix 6. Wipe cache partition. System cache issues can trigger crashes. Power off your phone, then hold power plus volume down to enter recovery mode. Select Wipe cache partition, then choose Reboot system now. Fix 7. Factory reset last resort. If nothing works, a factory reset may fix the issue, but it erases all data. Back up your phone first. Go to Settings System Reset, choose Factory Reset, confirm, and enter your lock screen password. Fix 8. Update apps and system. Outdated apps or system software can cause crashes. Update the app via Play Store. Manage apps and device updates, then go to Settings. System update to install the latest Android updates. Fix 9. Disable battery optimization. Go to Settings App Special App Access Battery Optimization and set the crashing app to Don't Optimize. This prevents force stopping. Fix 10. Reset app preferences. Go to Settings Apps menu, Reset App Preferences, and confirm. This restores default permissions and settings without deleting your data.